I've been asked this question quite a bit, so today I'm going to make a video answering it. Do you have to take a year and a day classes to be a real witch? I'm LadyStarFire, and today I'm here to answer questions about becoming a witch and what is actually required and what is not. Okay, so yes, I teach what I call a year and a day classes. Is it mandatory to take those to be able to be a real witch? No, it is not. It is required if you want a good foundation and you don't have a teacher somewhere else, okay? Here's the thing, I teach. I have taught in person for years. I also put my first year classes in book form back during the COVID time, because at that time I didn't know if or when I'd ever be able to teach in person again. So I put it all in book just so that people could have the information even once I'm gone. Now, I do teach them in my community, or mine and my husband's community, Sacred Legacy Builders on the Platform School. I put them there, and I did them all on video, just like this. And there's PDFs in there and all that. I did this so that people everywhere could get them, and because I had people coming in my store saying, we don't want to learn from a book. We want to learn from you. When are you going to teach classes again? Well, I'm 65 years old now, and I just really didn't want to go back to teaching in person. No matter how much I enjoy it, it's still a drain, especially when I have my first year classes, and then I have first degree and second degree and all that. And if I have classes going in all of those, that takes a whole lot of my time because, my classes can run 2-3 hours. And I work 6 days a week right now in my store, okay? I own a metaphysical store, as you well know, and that takes a lot of my time also, okay? So, as I said, I put them on video in my community, or our community, so that, once again, people everywhere have access to them. And a year and a day is a commitment that has always been around, okay? If you self-dedicate or whatever, it's always a year and a day. And it shows true commitment, because if you can stick with it for a year and a day, and you can do your homework and you learn and grow and build your foundation, then you have shown dedication, not just to me, not even just to yourself, but to the gods, to the powers that be, that go, yeah, they're really serious. And if they're really serious, then yeah, we're going to be here for them and we're going to help them. Okay? So yes, a year and a day is important, whether it's my classes or however you choose to do it. Okay? But you do need to commit to that year and a day. And please, 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 you hear me say this all the time. TikTok is great for funny animal videos, little kid videos, whatever other types of stuff, but not for witchy stuff, okay? There is so much, 99.9% of the stuff out there is so fake, and it's all about people just wanting to get those clicks, okay? That is not how you become a real witch. Please don't be a TikTok witch if you want to be a real witch, okay? All right, so what's the next question? Okay, so the next question was, how did I learn? Okay, well, first of all, you got to remember that there was no such thing as internet. And for you people born before the, or after the 1990s, I guess I should say, you're going, oh my God, what is before internet? Yeah, and social media came long after that, okay? So, I learned from books. I learned from people that I happened to come across or that were put in my path to teach me different things. I mean, I spent 10 or 15 years just wandering around trying to learn where I could, okay? Because you got to remember, Wicca itself came to the U.S. in the 1950s. I was born in 1961, okay? So things were still pretty closed down, for a whole lot of those years, all right? So, there wasn't a lot of books. There wasn't, you had to know the exact right person to get you to the right person to learn anything back then, okay? So, I mean, I was around 18, 19 when I finally found my first person that started really kind of teaching me some things, and she did. Yeah, she taught me the hard way to be specific and not listen to what she said on certain things, because she didn't tell me about being specific, okay? So that's why I preach this so much to y'all, and I push it to be specific when you're doing things, okay? And what you're asking for, because, yeah, it doesn't always turn out well, all right? Let's see what else is the next question. So the next question was, okay, so because of the fact that I was pretty much self-taught, I learned what I could, did what my gut told me to do, followed my instincts, and met different people along the way and to get me somewhere. And then I finally found a teacher, okay? Now, technically, I found them some years before, but I wasn't in a position right then to be able to take the classes directly from Pat and Frank Dory, which you hear me talk about them, or you'll learn lots about them if you take my classes. So it was some years later after I had found them, and they taught me a lot just by me going to their metaphysical store. And I was back in the Houston area, and I needed candles because in the Memphis area at that time, in the late 80s, or middle to late 80s, there were no metaphysical stores, okay? I had to go to an A. Schwab bookstore, and it's an old dry goods store. Then they had this little section and they had the 7-day jar candles, and they had some herbs and packets, and, you know, some powders and some different things. But one, they were extremely overpriced. But I would buy what I could. So my mother and I had gone down to see some family and stuff in that area. And I thought, you know what? I'm going to see if I can find that store. The problem was I couldn't remember the name of it to save me. So back then we had actual phone books because we didn't have cell phones, okay? So yes, people that are young, you know, you have no clue what it was like. So anyway, I stopped at a gas station, asked to look at their phone books. Well, in Houston, they had 2, and each one was about this thick and this big, okay? Well, 3. 2 for yellow pages, 1 for white pages. Anyway, so I just kind of looked. I thought, well, let me see if they have an occult section. Well, they did. And there it was, the occult shop. That was it. And no, it's no longer there. But anyway, so I went. And that's when I met Charlotte, and who then became my high priestess. And I took my classes, and I did my dedications, and I worked my way through my degrees. And I also started Charlotte's Mystical Web as a mail order, okay? So, you know, it's one of those things that we get led to where we're supposed to be. So if you're watching this video, maybe you're being led here. And so, you know, if there's a way I can help you, leave me a comment, let me know, okay? What can I do to help you on your path, okay? Because this is what I do every day, is I try to help people make their life better and guide them on their path, okay? So if there's something I can do for you, just drop me a comment. Or hey, if nothing else, drop me a heart if you just like my videos. But click the like button too, okay? And share them if you like, okay? So, all right, let's see what the next question was. Okay, so I have people ask me, so what do I teach? All right. I teach history, because we need to know where we came from, okay? Pagan history, to be specific. Yeah, there's some Wicca, there's pagan, there's, you know, all the different things that got us to where we are today, okay, to be able to be here talking about this right now. I teach ethics, you know. Some is personal ethics, some is, you know, very much, you know, ethics within the pagan world and community. And I teach you how to properly cast a circle and dismiss your circle, and just so many things, because there are 26 classes, okay? Because once again, it's a year and a day. And there's a lot of parts to them. And yes, there is homework, because you can't just listen to me and learn it all. You have to research. You have to learn for yourself that these things are real, okay? And so, you know, I teach you everything you need to lay down the foundation, okay? And then once you complete this first year and a day, you can then move on to be first degree. So you get a certification moving you from neophyte to first degree, okay, priest or a priestess. And then you get your first degree classes, which is another year and a day, at least. You can take longer if you like, but it's at least that. And you also get your clergy classes, because when you become pagan priesthood, whether it's priest, priestess, but especially because when you get done, you become a high priest or high priestess of the second degree, you are clergy, so therefore you need that clergy training, because you need to know how to talk to people and help people, okay? So I teach a lot, and because I want you to know that when you complete that year and a day, that you know what you're doing, okay? Are you going to know it all? Nope. We never know it all. We keep learning, okay? But you will know the right and wrong ways about things, okay? And you will be able to spot the fakes out there and the crap that's all out there, and be able to help guide people to the right information, okay? So you'll get a lot, and you'll get a lot more than what I just told you, because I don't know how to summarize it, okay? So what's next? Well, I kind of combine those. It's what I teach, and it's what you'll learn, okay? I kind of combine both of those questions. So let's see. And the last one was, what will you get? Well, I kind of explained that to you. You get a good working knowledge of paganism, the way of life, how to cast circles, how to raise energy, how to do the things that witches want to do, okay? Is it all about spells? No. You get spell information? Yes, you will. You will learn, about, the right and wrong with spells, and how to spot the right and wrong things, and a lot of different things with it, okay? You're going to learn a lot. And when you graduate, from a year and a day classes, you will be confident that you know what you're doing, okay? Now, is there a whole lot more to learn? Yes, there is. Hence the reason that we have first degree, second degree, third degree. And yes, all of those classes will be available as well in the community, okay? So I hope this answers any questions that you had. These are questions that I've been being asked about it. So I thought, well, easy way to do it is just make a video, and that way everybody gets the information. So if you still have questions, pop it down in the comments, and I will be happy to answer you as best I can. And so, anything about this, or if you have a question about something else, pop it down there too, okay? So I hope this, answers all your questions about my a year and a day classes. And, if you're interested, leave me a comment. Go down in the description and find the link to my school community, or go download the app School and then just search for Sacred Legacy Builders, okay? And that'll bring you right to our community. Just request to join, answer a few questions, and you're in, okay? So, and the community is free to join, all right? Classes are not free. There are some free classes in the classroom, but the year-and-a-day classes are not free. But it is free to come into the community and be with like-minded people and learn, okay? So anyway, I hope this helps you, and I will see you in the next video, and hope to see you in the community too. Blessed be.